What up, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way. I see it. I'm going through a couple of these suggestions that was in the comments. See if I can find some new stuff to get into. Mostly with the trap dance hall. Jamaican rap type, type vibe. But there's a couple other things out there. If you suggest something in the comments, I'm gonna check it out and see. Whether it's that or it's the traditional American rap, Canadian rap, UK drill, whatever it is, throw it in the comments if you want me to check it out. I go ahead and see what it's hitting for. But we had this one in the comments, and I think is it Malie or Malie, or I don't think it's Malie. I think it probably Malie or Molly. But Starlife, it's 203,000 views, and just is about 2 weeks. Yeah. Just about 2 weeks, so that's not bad. But yeah, shit. Let's get into it. Let's see what it's in for. What? Yeah.
From a starlight, girl, I run in. See them a pre me from a far right, girl, I run in to get peace of the Starlife. Nobody worry about we because we alright. Looking at my nozzle and I'm looking at my car like will not folly. Treading on the hills and valley, pop pill in her liquor so she sip on Malie. I see a badness, them a push some I don't know, I said the fuck a quick pan Charlie. French cut Vicky see, hey bitch, where you a go in a big long baggy. She jump up in the piece, naturally get your weed from Kelly. They know that girl a tick so, beat it up like a drum a calypso.
Hold on, question: are people from Jamaica getting weed from Cali? Is that what he just said? Because that's like taking sand to the beach. That's like taking a big ass sand or a bag of sand to the beach. I don't know. Maybe I know Cali got good ass weed. Like Cali got some of the best weed around. Like period in the world, let alone in the States. So I can understand it, but that's seemed like I don't know. You can already get the shit out there, and it's already been known for years, decades. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like they probably got it down packed. We got to figure out how to grow some fire. But, yeah, I don't know. Let me know down there. Y'all smoking Cali out in Jamaica? That'd be interesting. Shit.
Okay, too tired for you. Oh, you're just a tip, so. Rolex, someone never wrist, so. Cal, take it big toe. Suck it like a kiss, go. Twist, so. Sit, so. Panic, killer, dick, no. So me nah no time for no hater. I be a bad bitch, me fuck a Jamaica. See them a pre me from a far right. Girl I run in to get peace of the Starlife. Nobody worry about we because we alright. Looking at my nozzle and I'm looking at my car light. I thought we do this for real, we never talk like this. A believe, I never go start cry. So nobody worry about we because we alright. We been a bill who wanna strength that you call my dance sky. Do this for the team, do this for the dream. Do this for my mother, yeah man, mommy I'm a queen. Do this for shame the girl me used to fucking at the scheme. Do this full of belly at the dirty magazine. So I'ma tuck it by my belly, I'ma bust it when I feel. Your girl of mine, so I'ma fuck it when I feel. Yeah, the star of the show, so I'ma go for every scene. Fuck the nightmare and go for every dream. See them a pre me from a far right. Girl I run in to get peace of the Starlife. Nobody worry about we because we alright. Looking at my nozzle and I'm looking at my car light. I thought we do this for real, we never talk like this. A believe, I never go start cry. So nobody worry about we because we alright. We been a bill who wanna strength that you call mine. See them a pre me from a far right. Y'all run in to get peace of the Starlife. Nobody worry about we because we alright. Looking at my nozzle and I'm looking at my car light. Will not folly. Treading on the hills and valley. Pop pill in her liquor so she sip on Malie. I see a badness, them a push some I don't know. I said the fuck a quick pan Charlie. French cut Vicky see, hey bitch, where you a go in a big long baggy. She jump up in the piece, naturally get your weed from Kelly. They know that girl a tick so, beat it up like a drum a calypso. We got it too tired for you, oh you're just a tip so. Rolex, someone never wrist so. Girl take it big toe, suck it like a kiss go. Twist so, sit so, panic killer dick no.
Said Brody must fuck with Shorty heavy because she got the burner on his shoulder. Look like she got a little bit of finger control though. Yeah, it don't look like it's on the trigger. It's close. She probably got small hands, but Brody must have some love for Shorty because she got that bitch right on his shoulder. You know what I'm saying? Even if I fuck with a chick heavy, I gotta know that you know how to handle firearms before I'm gonna let you be all up on me or around me doing something like that. But I'm sure Brody know what he doing. He a grown ass man. That's another thing too, though. Where all these Glocks and switches and all that shit, how is they even getting? I mean, I guess they get there the same way, but is it legal to own guns in Jamaica? Like, can anybody just carry a gun? You know, because where I'm from, they done changed the laws completely. Like, you could just carry a gun. You carry guns concealed now with no license. You always been able to open carry. Uh, they consider AR pistols and AK pistols as handguns, so you can carry them. Which is, if you had a CCW before, now you don't even need it. Like, we got all types. We a gun toting ass state. You know, we a gun toting ass country, but we specifically where I'm at, we a gun toting ass state. But yeah, I'm curious. How common are these out there? You know, is catches they just everywhere, so you can just pick one up $500, like same type shit here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
So me nah time for no yeta. I be a bad bitch, me fuck a Jamaica. See them a bring me from a far right. Y'all a run in, forget peace of the Starlife. Nobody worry about we because we alright. Looking at my nozzle and I'm looking at my car light.
Alright. It's your boy. Oh, you got one with Briscoe too. Is that Briscoe? I can't, man. I don't be knowing everybody's name, like how to pronounce them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll be listening to him. Like, Briscoe got the what's that song? Code. He got a song Code that's cold that I like. And I think Brody's name is Malie or Malie. But yeah, I fuck with that song, man. That was good. That wasn't a bad song at all, man. I imagine that's why it's got 200,000 views. You know, and he got 150,000 subscribers. So Brody doing something right for surely. Let me go ahead and like the video, you know, support it, especially because I like the song. You know, I might as well like the video. Shit, we gonna go ahead and subscribe to it, man. I fucked with that, so subscribe to it. See what else pop up with Brody. But let's see. Yeah, man. Yeah, that was a cool ass video, man. Appreciate the suggestion in the comments. If y'all got some more, you know, throw them in the comments. Let me know, man. I'll react to whatever. I'm on like a I don't know. I got tired of listening to the same music I always listen to, so I'm just trying to find new shit, man. That's even how I really started doing this. I was like, let me just react to some new shit, see what it's looking like, get some suggestions, you know, check that out. Yeah, just give me a reason to search around for some new shit. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what's new, you know, in the trap dance hall or in the regular trap, you know, or if you got some R&B or, you know, let me know what's up. I don't really listen to, you know, country or no shit like that, but if you got a cool ass country song, throw it in the comments. I might check it out and see what it's in for. Shit, man. Let me know. It's your boy Raz, man. It's the way I see it. I'll get you on the next one.